Namaste friends and welcome back to my channel Advocate Pramod Bhardwaj Speaks. I am Advocate Pramod Kumar Bhardwaj. Purchasing a property in India is a significant decision that requires careful consideration of various legal aspects to ensure a smooth and secure transaction. In today's video, let's delve deep into critical factors to guide you in making an informed property purchase. The first step is to verify the seller's title and ownership. Ensure that the seller has a clear and marketable title to the property. The Supreme Court has emphasized that ownership of immovable property can only be legally transferred through a registered sale deed as mandated by Section 54 of the Transfer of Property Act 1882 and Section 17 of Registration Act 1908. Examine the original title documents such as sale deed, gift deed, or will to confirm the seller's ownership. Be cautious of documents executed by individuals without proper title, as successors cannot enforce rights based on such deeds. Then, take steps to ensure proper registration of documents. In India, all property transactions must be registered with the appropriate sub-registrar to be legally valid. The Supreme Court has reiterated that ownership of immovable property can only be legally transferred through a registered sale deed. Transactions not executed through registered documents do not convey legal title and are not recognized as valid modes of transferring immovable property. For this, conduct a thorough title search. Investigate the property's title history to identify any disputes or encumbrances. A comprehensive title search helps in uncovering hidden issues that could affect your ownership rights. We should acquire the entire title chain from the lease to the ownership documents, including all transfers, as any missing link in the chain can cast doubt on the ownership of the seller. We must also check if the name transfer in the government records is in the seller's name and whether it will be possible to transfer the title to our name once we purchase the property. The ownership of the property is only finalized when our name is officially recorded in the government records. Next, verify land use and zoning regulations. Confirm that the property's land use aligns with your intended purpose. Properties on agricultural land may have restrictions on development or conversion. Ensure that the property complies with the local zoning laws and regulations which dictate permissible construction and usage. Next, check for encumbrances and liabilities. You should obtain an encumbrance certificate to verify that the property is free from legal dues or mortgages. We should confirm the status of utilities like electricity and water connections to ensure that there are no outstanding dues related to such services. Also, investigate whether the property is involved in any ongoing legal battle or dispute, or if there is any court orders affecting its status. If the property is a part of some builder's project, then confirm compliance with Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 2016, that is commonly called as RERA Act. For properties in new development, ensure that the project is registered under RERA, which mandates transparency in project details, timelines, and legal compliances. Verify the builder's credentials and past project delivery records to assess reliability. Also, scrutinize development agreements and approvals. If purchasing from a developer, review the development agreement to confirm their authority to sell the property. And check for requisite government approvals. Ensure that the property has received all necessary approvals from municipal and other relevant authorities, including land conversion and building permissions. Next is understanding the financial aspects. Establish a clear payment schedule linked to project milestones or possession dates. And if you are availing a loan, ensure that the property is eligible for financing and that all financial obligations are clearly documented. Also, before finalizing the property, do assess the infrastructure and amenities. Evaluate the property's connectivity to major roads, public transport, and essential services. We should also find out how far the property is from the main road and who will be responsible for building the road connecting the property to the main road. and consider the availability and quality of amenities such as water supply, electricity, sewage systems, and recreational facilities. We should also inquire about the maintenance charges and what services will be provided in return, such as security, parking, gardens, etc. Many times we neglect to ask about maintenance charges initially and later discover that the charges are much higher than we expected. You should always also stay on top of recent legal developments. Stay informed about recent amendments, such as changes in capital gains tax affecting property transactions, which can influence financial aspects of your purchase. Be aware of landmark Supreme Court judgments that clarify property rights and transfer procedures, ensuring that your transaction aligns with current legal standards. Sometimes doing all these checks and verifications may not be easy for an individual buyer, then you should definitely seek professional legal assistance. You can engage a qualified property lawyer to review all documents, agreements, and legal aspects of the transaction. Remember, a legal expert can assist in conducting thorough due diligence, identifying potential risks, and ensuring that all legal requirements are met. By meticulously addressing these aspects, supported by latest legal frameworks and judicial guidance, you can navigate the complexities of property transactions in India with confidence, ensuring that your investment is secure and legally sound. Friends, if you liked the video, please do share, like, and subscribe to the channel. And for any legal advice, do contact me through WhatsApp and email provided in the description below. Till next time, Namaste, friends.